This whale eats people.
Humpback whale might accidentally swallow you, but will spit you out. You're not food.
This whale eats people.
Sperm whale hunts giant squids. Doesn't eat humans.
This whale eats people.
Orca, now this one is serious. A powerful predator, but almost never attacks humans in the wild.
This whale eats people.
Beluga whale, looks cute.
This whale eats people.
Narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. Doesn't attack humans.
This whale eats people.
Bowhead whale lives 200 years. Eats only tiny organisms.
This whale eats people.
Blue whale, the biggest animal on Earth, but won't eat you, only eats plankton.